Today we will be making Hainanese chicken rice that is made in a rice cooker. The first step is to marinate the chicken, and I'll be using 4 chicken thighs. So these are all the ingredients to marinate. The chicken pieces right here. Also have spring onions, corn flour, salt, pepper, cooking wine and sesame oil. And this right here is a quick video on how to debone chicken thigh. And now back to the video. So to marinate the chicken pieces, first we'll be adding in salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Just spread it across all 4 chicken thighs. And now add in white pepper, 1 teaspoon. Sesame oil, 1 teaspoon. Chinese cooking wine, 1 teaspoon. Corn flour, 1 teaspoon. And then just add in the 3 stalks of spring onions which were tied into a knot. And just wrap each chicken piece with the spring onions. It will enhance the flavor of your chicken. And now we'll leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, we can then cook the rice. So to cook the rice, first up we'll be needing 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Add it directly into your rice cooker. Half a tablespoon of ginger paste. 4 cloves of garlic which have been lightly smashed. And then just stir and mix it for a little bit. Let it cook in the rice cooker for just a couple of seconds. Then add in 4 stalks of spring onions, just the stem. Gently mix it. Now add in 1 tablespoon of chicken stock, one tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. And again, if you want a halal version, you can omit the cooking wine. Now add in 2.5 cups of rice. Now add in 2.5 cups of water. When cooking rice, the measurement is always on a 1:1 ratio, so the number of cups of rice that you use should also be equivalent with the cups of water that you add in. And now we'll just let the rice cook. And after 6 minutes, we can then add in the chicken for steaming. So add in all of the marinated chicken pieces. You do not have to add in the spring onions, and then you let it cook for the balance time, be 6 minutes. Now after the 6 minutes is done, you can see that the chicken is nicely steamed. It looks very well cooked. And for serving this, it is best to cut it into nice thin slices, just like how it is served in restaurants. And also just cut a few thin slices of cucumber, which will make the dish perfect. So this is Hainanese chicken rice made at home. Cumulatively only took 1 hour to make, coupled with a nice bowl of homemade chili sauce. Hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next video.